How to make a CHORDED on Kinemaster. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to learn how to make a CHORDED on Kinemaster. First, open Kinemaster on your mobile device and make sure your project is added to the timeline. This is where you'll apply all the effects. Now tap on the timeline video, and from the right side, tap on Adjustment to start editing the visual settings. Here, move the contrast slider to the right and set it around 36. This will make the dark areas look deeper and give your video a more dramatic look. Then, increase the saturation by sliding it to the right. This will make the colors in your video more vibrant. After that, scroll down and adjust the gain to the right. This will help brighten the overall image and add more detail. Next, slide the gamma to the right to balance the brightness and shadows. This step gives the video a smoother and polished appearance. Now go back and tap on the filter option to apply a color effect. Then scroll down and tap on Get More to download extra filters if needed. Now tap on the filter pack you like and select a filter that fits your video style. After selecting the filter, use the slider to adjust how strong the filter should be. You can make it soft or bold based on your preference. Finally, go back and play the video to preview how everything looks with your changes. If it looks good, you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.